Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show exactly how to hide yourself from the Find Friends feature on Snapchat. If you'd rather stay a bit more private and not show up when others are searching for people to add, this is the setting you need to change. Let's jump right in. First, open up your Snapchat app like you normally would. Once you're on the main camera screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your account settings are stored. Next, find the settings icon in the top right corner. It looks like a small gear. Go ahead and tap on that to open your settings menu. Now, scroll down through the list until you see the section labeled Notifications. Tap on it. Even though it might not seem obvious, this is where Snapchat has placed some of its privacy-related options. Keep scrolling down until you reach the section called Privacy Control. Under that, you'll find an option that says, See Me and Find Friends. Tap on it. Here's the important part. You'll see a toggle labeled Show Me and Find Friends. If this is turned on, it means other users can discover your account through the Find Friends feature. To hide yourself, simply uncheck or turn off this option.